Once upon a time, in a world full of magic and wonder, there was a special school for young children with extraordinary abilities. This school was called the Superhero School, and it was a place where kids could learn to use their powers for good and to protect the world from evil. There were all sorts of kids at the Superhero School, each with their own unique abilities. Some could fly, some could control the elements, and some could even turn invisible. But no matter what their powers were, they all had one thing in common: they were all determined to become the best superheroes they could be. One of the students at the Superhero School was a young boy named Jack. Jack was a quiet and shy 7-year-old with a big heart and a powerful gift. He had the ability to control and manipulate plants, and he used his powers to help others and to make the world a better place. At the Superhero School, Jack learned how to hone his powers and how to use them to help others. He also learned about teamwork, bravery, and the importance of using his powers for good. And he made lots of new friends along the way, including a spunky little girl named Lucy who could shoot laser beams from her eyes, and a brave and noble boy named Max who could transform into any animal he wanted. As the years went by, Jack and his friends grew stronger and more confident in their abilities. They worked together to stop villains and to save the day, always putting others before themselves. And they were always there for each other, no matter what challenges they faced. One day, a group of evil supervillains attacked the Superhero School, intent on stealing the students' powers and using them for their own wicked purposes. Jack and his friends knew they had to act fast to protect their school and their powers. So, they came up with a plan and put it into action. Jack used his powers to create a giant wall of vines to block the villains' path, while Lucy and Max used their abilities to fight them off. The battle was fierce and lasted for hours, but in the end, the heroes emerged victorious. Thanks to Jack and his friends, the Superhero School was safe once again, and the villains were defeated. And from that day on, the young superheroes were known as heroes throughout the land, always ready to protect and serve their community.